Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lime cheesecake. First, let's create the perfect base. Combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of sugar. Then, stir in 6 tablespoons of melted butter until everything is well combined. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan, ensuring it goes slightly up the sides. Bake this delicious crust for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to set it. Now let's prepare the star of our show, the zesty lime filling. In a large bowl, beat 2 pounds of softened cream cheese with 1 1/2 cups of sugar until it's wonderfully smooth. Next, add 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Stir in 1/2 cup of fresh lime juice and 2 teaspoons of lime zest for that bright, tangy kick. Finally, fold in 1/4 cup of heavy cream for an extra luxurious texture. With our delicious filling ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the lime filling over your pre-baked graham cracker crust. Place the springform pan into a 325-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for about 60 to 70 minutes. You'll know it's done when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. After baking, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside with the door ajar for 1 hour. Almost there. Once your cheesecake has cooled on the wire rack, it's crucial to chill it properly. Refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. This allows the cheesecake to firm up beautifully, ensuring perfect slices. When ready to serve, carefully remove the sides of the springform pan. Garnish with fresh lime slices and a dollop of whipped cream for an elegant and irresistible presentation. Enjoy your homemade lime cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.